So today they are 5 weeks old and just got back from the vet with Ellie, and I thought what a better day to take these little puppies out for their first adventure outside. It looks like, oh, he's holding on. Colbert is the only one that's thinking about jumping out. Come on, Colbert. Hey. They're like, we're not sure what we're supposed to do out here. So Colbert, obviously, he's not afraid. Nope, he said, I'm not afraid. Black flies are out. So they're 5 weeks old, and I thought it's a beautiful day. Let's get them outside, see how they like it. Francesca's sniffing. They were all sleeping for a nap. But they'll loosen up once they realize, oh. Right now they're unsure. Come on. Hey, Colbert. I'm not afraid. Raven's over here looking me up. Now she's going over to see what everybody else is doing. Oh, Francesca's taking a poop outside. Hi. Raven's pretty excited. Little Raven. Hi. How dusty her little face is. That's the dog food, the red remnants on her. Let's see who's over here hiding. Rocky, Sledge. Come on, Zoe. Hi, little lady. You said a dusty face. Yes, you do. She don't care. She said, I don't care. What? Come on, Rocky. You guys aren't shy. They could be just sleepy though. They were taking a nap before I got one in there and saw them. Sledge said, I'm not coming out. She's shaking. It's okay, little baby. It's okay. What are you doing? Are you hiding, Sledge? What do you guys think? Nice, huh? Isn't it nice out? So the more I bring them out, the more they'll feel confident about being outside. Some of them already feel comfortable. Colbert, Raven. Zoe's coming around. I'm surprised Lucy's not more outgoing because usually she's the little escape artist at the house. Puppies, Georgia?
Hey, Raven.
Well, come on, Lucy. Lucy, come on. She said, no way. Those are the three.
Hi, Francesca.
Come on, Lucy. You're usually very outgoing. She said, not in here. Look at her little tail.
This one?
Yeah. Oh, you see the baby? Look at the little mugs.
Oh, hi, Mr. Man.
Yeah, he's social. I'm surprised because Lucy's pretty outgoing normally too. Look, it's killing her not to be out here be nosy. She said, I don't know.
Rocky said they're shaking.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
They were sleeping too.
With some sharp nails.
I don't know. Lucy's unsure. Head back to the cart. This is the first time they've been out.
Did you just eat?
Yeah, can you see all the little dust on her nose?
The dirt, yeah.
Hi. Oh, you came out, Lucy Lou? Figured you would. Miss Social that you normally. I better go back. Isn't that funny the first time? You are not afraid at all. Great. Yeah. Oof. Tell him.
What are you barking at?
I don't know.
Why don't you bring the cart over more? Maybe they'll
come over. She took the cart. She took the cart.
Puppies can come to you. Say hi, Fanny. Hi, Rocky.
It did puppies, Georgia. Oh,
Zoe's
she said I'm awful nervous.
She's gonna come see you. Hi. Nervous?
Yep. She said a little bit. Hi. Hi, Georgia. Zoe's warming up. She's moving out and about now. She said, well, let me check things out.
This is Zoe.
Oh, I meant Lucy. Yeah.
Whose puppies are they?
I know, right?
Hi, Raven. I don't have any food.
Hoping.
And it looks like you just ate by the looks of your nose.
Yeah, they ate before I went to the vet, so they're not hungry.
This one's Lucy, right?
Yep.
You girls pooping again.
Yeah. She's trying to.
Hello, Cobalt. You best friends now?
Yep. He was out with his mom drinking when I got home.
Oh,
Gotta go pee outside. Good girl, Lucy. They seem like, oh, geez, don't let them eat me. You can tell they've been playing. You can feel the little bites on their heads. Hi, handsome. Hi, Lucy. I'm surprised you're being shy outside because you're very outgoing inside.
Oh, you see the birdies? Quite a bit.
I think these puppies are already tired out.
She reminds me of, Duchess?
Duchess, yeah. They named her something else, so.
From Frankie.
Yeah, he named her Duchess and his wife named her something else. Everybody's tired, so we're going to bring them back in. Georgia's getting a free ride with the puppies. So Sledge was the most nervous one being out here. Sledge and Zoe. He was all right if he was held, but that was about it. Then we have a little escaper. Hi. Oh, whoop, there's one down. One down. Oh, Zoe's giving her kisses. Come on, Lucy, let's don't drop out. Come on, kids. She's giggling. Georgia's a little bigger, she can hold them in. Lucy, I'll take you. So, we just came in from outside. We just had a little lunch. Now everybody's going to have their first bath. Huh, guys? Who wants to get washed first? Oh, we're not going to be liking that. Hi, baby. Everybody's going to get a bath. Is that you, Lucy? Oh, Stacy's dirty baby. Oh, it's okay, Luce. I'm right here. Alright. Not real fond of the bath. It's the first one. You guys are all dusty and dirty. Yes, you're dusty babies from eating. Oh my goodness. What's he thinking about it? Okay, let's get some soap on these kids. Should I be first? Rocky? Little Rocky? Say hi, Rocky. Oh, you better smell good, Mr. Man. Yes. You better smell wonderful. Yeah, little man. Oh, so that's nice. That's nice, huh, Rocky? Hi. Should have probably took my glasses off because they're going to be soaked. They're going to be soaked by the end of this little bath. Yeah. Gotta wash your face. It's just all dusty. I know, big fella. Oh, he's a good boy, Rocky. So, looks like Rocky's done. Come on, Rocky. So, did Rocky first. He's all clean. He's all shampooed. Come on, Rocky. He said, I don't know about this. Too much to be next. I just use the mane and tail stuff on them. It's not real strong or anything. Oh, look at that gray-spotted girl. Isn't she looking good? Isn't she looking good? She's a good girl. So their bellies are full because they just ate. But I figured it would be a good time, you know, give them a little bath. They get dusty and their food. Alright, you're done, Lady Jane. 2 down. Little Zoe, all done. First bath. Hello. Let's do Colby. He's being a good boy. Colby's in the tub. Look at him. He's so cute. You're being an awful good boy. I think he was the most adventurous outside today. Yep. Where'd you go? We're getting there, girls and boys. I know, not used to a bath. Gosh, what's this lady expect from us? Oh, Raven. Raven's such a cute little thing. She's sitting there being a good girl, waiting her turn. Okay, Colbert. Mr. Colbert's done. Dry him off. Let's do Lucy. Stressing out. Come on, Lucy Lou. Lucy warmed up really good outside today, too. Lucy's the Marrow with the purple collar. She's the one that looks most like her mummy. Giving them a bath, I can feel little scratch marks on their head from them biting each other. Help us, somebody! Francesca! Francesca, no! Alright, little Lucy Lou's done. Little Lucy Lou! She's a sweet girl. Good girl, Luce. Get dry towel before you let it. Why don't we do our little lady here? Come on, Raven. Raven really was loving it outside today. I didn't realize she was so outgoing till I brought her outside today. She really loved it. She really loved it. Come on, baby. That's Raven, the little black one. The beautiful black one. Oh, Francesca. I know. It's hard when you got 7 siblings and you gotta wait your turn for that. I know. She's trying to run. Here. Oh, Francesca, you're breaking my heart, girl. Alright. Raven's done. Get the towel, Raven. Oh, Francesca. This is Raven. She's all clean. So this is Sledge. very beautiful, but he did not really like it outside today. It was scary, he said. It was awfully scary. So, I think the more I bring him out, the more he'll get used to it. Come here, little man. We gotta get you clean. Little soap. Little scrubby dub. Yes, you, handsome. Francesca, you're last. Yep. Ooh, that looks good. Look at you, little boy. Gonna get the soap off. He's getting me soap. So, Mr. Sledge is done. He's a little wet baby. Alright, Mr. Sledge. Towel, get you. Someone's gotta be last, Francesca. Sorry. She loved it outside. Yes, she did. Bath for Francesca. To get clean. First bath. Oh, hello, baby. Hello, little baby. Look at that. We're all done. Quick little baths. Get them cleaned up. Get them used to the experience. She's shivering. I've never been so hot. You're going to be fine. Yeah, you are. Beautiful. All right, let's put a towel on her so she stopped her gibbering. So that was number 7. Everybody had a bath. Everybody got to go out and play today. So bath time's done. Everybody's in their room. I put a towel down. I'll put blankets on them if they're still cold, but their room's nice and warm. So I'll probably just shut their door for a little bit and bring their mommy in. But look how clean they look. Yeah, he's a clean boy now, Mr. Sledge. Mr. Sledge, here. You cold, we can cover you up. Just they were playing. But the first bath, 5 weeks old. Have plenty of blankets and stuff, but they'll end up playing. They'll dry off pretty quick. Our house is pretty warm. So everybody's clean puppies. Everybody's got a clean puppy. Yeah. You're so sweet. You were afraid though being outside today. Yes, you were. Maybe next trip you'll like it better. But she loved it. And so did Colbert. Which doesn't surprise me. Colbert's pretty outgoing. So is Raven. Puppy baths are over. And look at my shirt. I'm soaked. Just from 7 little puppies. But they're all clean. They're good to go. So remember, if you like our channel, remember to like and subscribe. And you'll see more videos like this one. It really helps our channel out to gain subscribers. Thanks for watching.